Yeah.
Hello viewers, welcome to our today's tutorial. In this video I want to show you how you can use these two commands, line cut and path cut, in Tekla structure. I'm using Tekla structure 2021 version. It's same thing with all the versions of Tekla. Before I continue, I want to appeal to you to show us some love by subscribing to this channel and liking it. So without wasting time, let's start. So when you launch the Tekla new, if you're the first time you're launching Tekla, it will open just this way with the x-axis pointing this way and y-axis pointing this way, and then the z, which represent the height. So now you have to input our grid, and double click on any of the grids to give a place, a space to type. In x-axis I'm typing 5,000, this space 5,000, and I'm having 2 of the 5,000. In the y-axis I'm having 4,000 space 4,000. Or alternatively, you can put 2 asterisk 4,000 to show that this 4,000 is 2 places. The height, I'm having 5,000. This is the eave, and I'm having a truss, and the truss is 2,500. Okay, well, let's say 2,000. Your truss is 2,000. This is the end of the column. Then from here to the peak of the truss is 2,000. So now this is the label. Label, you can just put A, B, C. You put your label based on the number of points you have here. We have 1, 2, 3. So you have A, B, C. So in the y-axis you also have 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to have 2, 3. And in the z direction, this is the 0. This is the plus 5,000. And the other one is the peak plus 2,000. Remember, this is just the naming 2,000. So this is just the naming. So when you're done with this, you click OK, and your grids are created just like this. So now we just click anywhere and fit work area to the entire model. Okay, so that your axis will be enclosed in this box, in the section box. So the next thing you do is to create the views. Double click on any of the grid, right click and say create views along grid lines. So the dialog box will come. So simply just create, let's create all. Okay, so now we have created this view. We want to have a view at A. Let's pick view at A and also push it this way. Okay, we also want to have, let's see, another view list, view at 1. Push and see. Okay, so in our grids, discover at the height level, how do we add in? So this is the height. The first one is 5,000. The next one you add it up, so it will be 7,000. But it can go up. You can see it's coming down. So here it's supposed to be 7,000. is 5,000 plus 2,000. Then you modify, and this is what you have. So you close here. So now we can sketch our column and put our trusses. So what we're going to do is to go to steel column, and then wait for you can drop it here. You can drop it. Okay, let's edit one before. So now this is our column. Click on it. We want the starting point to be at 0, starting at 0, and we want the height to be at 5 meters. Is the column height to be at 5 meters. Okay, is one way to do it. Alternatively, you can click on this, column, either you drag it to this point, still the same 5 meters. Then this here, this point, you can also drag it to here, it becomes at 0. So this column becomes 5 meters. That's another way to do it. So when you're done with this, you pick the column and you drop it here. So it automatically takes the properties of your previous edition. So now we are going to insert our truss. We have a truss here. We insert our truss. So putting our truss, before we put our truss, let's put our cap plates. So you go to application and component, and then just type cap. This is one cap plate detail. Now click on it. Let's switch to 3D. So switch to 3D. Then you select the member, and then you pick the point you want to insert it. I want to insert it here. You can see that's simple, because I want this is the place that is going to carry our trusses, our steel trusses. So have it like this, and we can go back to view 1. Okay, so this is what we have. So now we pick beam. Select from here, select from here. Okay, so before then, this beam, we double click on it to give it a property. I don't want to use a universal beam. I just want to use a hollow section. You can use hollow pipe depending on what you want to achieve. So then in this case, I'm going to use a rectangular section, which can come, you see rectangular hollow sections, and all you can see customized one, and all these ones that are almost like red, they are the customized sections. So I'm picking this, so I can change it to value 150, then change it to 8. Let me change the thickness to 8. So I can apply. Okay, I see it has automatically changed. Okay, so now the next thing, I want to take this thing up. You can see I want to take this thing, it be on top of here. Please note. Then you can just come to add depth and take it to front. See, is behind. So the opposite of behind is what? Front. Take it to front. Because I want it to go up, and then you modify. And see, this is how it is. So you pick your beam and you sketch from here to here. Just like this. Okay, let's do something else. Let's now pick the beam. Let's pick from here down to here. Okay, so we pick this, and this, let this be the middle of the line. And plane, middle, front, at depth, and pick middle, and see. Okay, and see now it's in the middle of the line. So we can model one side and mirror it the other way. So we can pick beam, pick from here to here. Okay, I have it like this. So this is what we have. So what I want to show you in this video is how we input our vertical members. So before we do that, we can just copy. So let's go to go to points, online, pick these points from here. Okay, let's do it again. Pick points online, you enter the number that you want. So I want to have 1, 2, 3. I want to have three of this. This one you apply, and you pick this your starting point. So I'm picking from here to here. Okay, I have them like this. So now I can copy this, copy this to here, to here, to here. Okay, so these are our vertical members. If you don't want, you can bring it down inside here. I want to show you how you can use cut line or trim line. There is a cut part for trim. You can use the trim. So you can move this to this point. You can move it to this point. You can take it to the end here. Okay. So now what we are going to do, okay, let's take this part, the middle, step this part also to front, so that it should sit on the plate. You sit on the plate just like this. Okay, so now to trim this part that is here is clashing, here is clashing, here is clashing, and here, and it's not good for you to have a perfect connection. This is supposed not to clash, and that is the essence of this video. So I will show you how you can use these two commands. First we'll use part cut. So we'll cut this part, and we'll cut this part, cut all those portions out. So we can use part cut, pick the command, select the part you want to cut. So in this case I want to cut this part, click on it. And what is the reference cutting line? This is the part that is the reference, the cutting pattern. So the cutting part is this one. When you click on this, you can see that's cut. So click on the member first and click the cutting. See, this has cut. So here now you can see you can wear this perfectly. Click this, cut. Click this, part. Click the part you want to cut first and click the cutting. The part you want to cut and cutting. The part you want to cut and cutting. So this is how you apply. So in this case, the part I want to cut is this one. This one is coming. This one is coming. So click the part I want to cut, and the cutting edge will be this. So I can have something like this. Okay. can click the part I want to cut, and the cutting edge is this. You can see it has already cut. So this is how you use part cuts. So the next one I want to show you is how you can use the line cut. So the line cut, you can say I want to cut this part, because you have to know how to use both the two methods. In some cases the part cut may not be appropriate, then you use the line cut. In some places the line cut will not be good enough, then you can use the part cut. So it's good to know all the two, so that whichever case that you have come across, you can use it effectively. So here I want to cut this part. I want to cut this part off. So to do that, let me use line cut. Line cut says select object to be cut. So in this is the object I want to cut. Okay, and select the cutting. Select the cutting. So the cutting part I want to select from here. Let's see, I want to select to here and click here. You can see this has cut. This one is just the imaginary cutting this thing. So it has cut like this. So when you're done with this, you put your, these are your verticals, you put your diagonals. So you can still go to steel, pick steel, and from here put your diagonals. Diagonals. Just want them to be at middle. Okay. And diagonals be at middle. And I want this section to be 100. And this section to be 100 by 4. Okay, apply. Okay, so you can see, go ahead, pick this. See, go ahead and pick this. So this is what you have. So now see, this part is also clashing. So you can either use line cut or you can use part cut. So let's use indeed. Let's use line cut. Select the part you want to cut and select the line. Select the line. So you can pick this line from here. Make sure it's snap. Click here and click on this. See, it has cut. So you can also want to cut this part. Select the part you want to cut and pick this line. Make sure it's snap. So this is become a reference, and you click that part and you want to remove. See, it has cut effectively. You repeat the same thing here. Click this part and pick the line and pick it from here. Make sure you pick it at the known place, it's snap, and click here. So you want to cut this. You want to cut this part. Just select this part. Pick the point from here to here to here, and you will come and click the part. So you check which one is easy for you, whichever one is easy for you, and you will have done. So when you're done cutting, you can now pick your welding tool and pick your welding. Specify the thickness of your welding. So I want to have 3 millimeter. That's my welding. So you select the part. I want to weld this one to this. I want to weld this to this. I want to weld this to this. 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 That's how you have on your welding. And this to this. So after you have done this, you can copy this. You can copy this and mirror the other side. let's copy this. And hold control and select this. But this one is going to add to that. So you can right click and say mirror, copy special mirror, then you select the middle point. So you say from here to here. Okay, we copy, delete duplicates. Okay, so let's undo. So let's do it in 3D. So we copy this, let's copy the whole of this and select the, go to your 3D. Okay, so you right click, copy special mirror, then you select the point. So this is the midpoint, so select from here to here and you copy. Okay, so this is how you copy and you form your truss. So if you have many of these, the next thing just to copy, to duplicate it, put your column base, put your anchor rods and your base plate, and you have your this. So if you enjoy this video, make sure you give me a subscribe to this channel, like this video, and then share it with others. I have so many other good contents that you can see on this channel. Thank you. Stay blessed.